Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by naming the part and the whole. That distinction determines the math. Once done, divide the part by the whole to get a decimal, then multiply by 100 to convert to percent. For example, 5 divided by 20 equals 0. 25, then 0. 25 times 100 equals 25%. Make sure the whole is not 0. If it is, stop and reevaluate inputs. This step sets the foundation. Accurate values here make every later calculation. Next, apply the conversion to different forms. If you already have a decimal, move the decimal 2 places right or multiply by 100. 0. 37 becomes 37%. For fractions, perform the division first. For example, 3/8 gives 0. 375 then times 100 equals 37, 5%. When precision matters, choose rounding, 1 decimal for summaries, 2 for formal reports. Also convert negative or greater than 1 values the same way. They represent decreases or rates above 100%. To finish, present the percent clearly, add the percent sign, specify if it's an increase, decrease, or share, and choose decimal places to match audience needs. Once presented, double-check that parts add up to the whole when applicable. If numbers don't make sense, recheck your part and whole inputs and watch for unit mismatches. One key troubleshooting tip. If you get infinite or undefined results, the whole was 0 or non-numeric, fix the source data. Then recompute to resolve the error quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.